This video describes the purpose of the camera strategy document and how to use the template. So we recognize that a lot of our customers have a lot of options to choose when it comes to cameras and different technologies. So we created this template simply to help you make some decisions with the team internally and then collect them and present them to your external stakeholders as well. So the template is easy to use. It's you can just download it and modify it to suit yourself. So we've created instructions in brackets and italics throughout. You would then just modify each section to suit you. For example, if you did not want security cameras, you would delete this entire section and move on to the next. And then, as I said, we've got the instructions usually within each paragraph, so you can work out whether you want to modify this particular paragraph or keep it as is. And that's it. So at the end of the document, we have some links to some helpful tools for construction time-lapse and remote monitoring, because of course that's what we do. And those tools are the time-lapse calculator and the definitive guide to construction time-lapse. And if you need help, we're here at sales@cam-do.com.